All right, let's take a look at this thing. Comes in a great box, a facsimile of the original Macintosh box. You can see the four sides here. Very well done. This is one of the things Apple does not want him doing anymore. When you open it, it even has 3D printed packaging material that matches what the original Mac shipped in. So you've got that. And then pico-mac comes out of the box looking like a Mac. And you even get an accessory kit that has the USB cable and the screwdriver for the two hex screws that are in it to replicate the original. Pretty darn cool.